Now I'll walk you through how to set up your event on Facebook. It's very easy.
This video is brought to you by OppiPies Academy.
All you do is, you see how here in your updates, literally it has the event right here. You literally just click the event and it will give you some things about the event. I recommend you prepare or get created for you a really nice visual. Give the event a name, location, for frequency. If it's a recurring event, that's great. But for now, you just want to, just once. The start date, what I recommend that you do for the start date is just give it a little time ahead of time, to like at 2 or 3 or 4 weeks is a perfect time notice for a small event. And if it's a conference or something big, much later. And the details you would enter are, the kinds of events, and give it some good keywords. And I would really make sure that you enter a lot of information here and make it very informative, because this will help Facebook determine to whom it's perfect to promote. And the better you explain it, the better Facebook will help you bring people who actually want to attend your event and who might be ideal attendees. Then you want to say, yes, you want to receive messages in case people have questions. Then there's information about tickets, ticket URL. In most cases, you don't have co-hosts. If you do have partners, you want to add them. And the posting is really important. Of course, you want to make sure that anybody can repost, and you want to display a public guest list. And when you post the event, ask some friends to immediately sign up. Guess what that does? Not only does that show it to all their friends, fine, but what it actually more importantly does is next event attendees who are potential attendees, they will see it's not an empty event, that they will see that there's some activity, and they will be much more likely to sign up. So actually having some early signups helps to increase the conversion rates of future signups. And then you just click publish, and that's it. Your event will be posted, and you're going to be ready to begin promoting that event on all your social media, on ads, in all kinds of ways, and get people into this page.